So over here in this Strikingly page, you can see that I have a store right here. And let's say in the store for your products, you want to go ahead and add in a product category. So to do that, you can go ahead on to manage products, and then you can go to product category right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that right now I got all categories and winter collection. But I can go ahead and add in a category right here. Let's say, for example, online course right here. Let's say, for example, right here, I can press enter. Then I can press add new category right here again. And then I can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, skill building right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add in as many category as you like right here, just like this. There's no products in it, however, and you can even go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, a subcategory like beginners course right here, just like this. You can go ahead and press enter to add that in, and then you can go ahead right here, add in a subcategory right here and say advanced course right here, just like this, and press enter. So these are the categories that you have, and if you were to go to the product right here, you can see all of your products right here. And now what you can do is you can actually go around over here and filter it out by category right here. But what you actually need to do now is, first of all, set the category. So for that, I need to open up that particular product, and then I can choose the category for this. So this is photo editing, which is skill building. So I'm just going to go around and select it, and then I'm going to select, let's say, for example, online course itself. This is not basic or advanced. You can see that I can go ahead and choose it out right here. So I can go ahead and click on save. So once I go ahead and do that, there's another let's say, for example, content right here, which is a webinar, which is skill building, and let's say I'm going to say beginners course right here under online course right here. So you can go ahead right here onto beginner course and then click on save right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and do this. This is also skill building, so I'm just going to go around and say advanced course right here, just like this. Click on save, and this is how you can simply go ahead and then choose out whatever you want. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that according to the category, you can see that you can go ahead and filter out the contents right here, just like this. So under the product categories, you can actually see this. Let me just go ahead and publish this out right here. Let me not set up a payment right now because I'm just doing a demo. So if I were to go ahead right here and see the site now, this is what I have. And then you can actually see that the category gets listed over here on the top. So there's skill building, and since in online course we did add in some subcategories, so I can simply show all the online courses, or I can show only the advanced course or only the beginners course right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the product category inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.